Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Happy day 28 of marching through my minis. Whew, I almost messed it up again. All right, all's good. I am bringing $8 a day into my Too Cute to Pinch binder that I got all the dashboards and prop money from Brittany over at Budgeting with a Ginger. And I am going to transfer my $8 in prop coins and put my $8 in my bank. Let's put that money back there, put the 5 up front, and we are going to start on number 2. We all want to say really good things for 3 to get 3, because I am hoping to finish that one in the next day or so, because that's a big $10 one, and I didn't think I'd be able to finish that in the month of March. So I'm very excited about that. All right, I've got my prop coins. I've got my D3. I'm going to roll, and whatever number it is how many prop coins I'll put down. And we'll just go until we're out of coins. Here we go. We need a 3. Ooh. That's right. And then 4 is getting 1. 5 is getting 1. Oh my goodness. 6 is getting 1. Oh my goodness. 7's getting 1. Come on now. What in the what? Okay, 1's like, I don't play that way, so. All right. We need that one more time. One more time. You can do it. Yes. Oh my God, yes. Yes. Oh. I just am here for my own entertainment. All right, number 5 is getting 3. Now we're making up for it. 6 is getting 3. All right, I have 2 more left. How is it going to go? 1 for 7 and then 1 for 8. And we will start on number 1 tomorrow. So let's bring this over. Perfect. So happy day 28. I hope you're doing well. Markers. All right, let's get started. All right, so number 1 got 75 cents. And number 1 is from Lindsay at Bookish Mom and Budgets, and that's exactly what it needed to finish for $5. That's exciting. That's a good feeling. All right, so $5 for that one. It's a fantastic start. So now we need a new one. I did put a few new extras in here. What's this one? Oh, I thought it was a big challenge, but it's just. All right, Black Friday from Maribel at Minto. It's a Black Friday freebie, so this will save us $3. So we're going to start that. We don't have anything to put into it, but that's all right. We will start there tomorrow. All right, number 2. Number 2 got $1.25. Look at how cute he is. All right, this is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. We can do 5, so we can do the whole top row. Awesome. Quite the haircut he's got. Look at how cute he is. He's got his ice cream. He's ready. All right, number 3. What did we get? $1. Oh my God, we did it. We did it. We did it. We finished it. I did not. Oh, it might take a minute. That is awesome. Oh my God, I'm so happy about that. All right, I'm going to color in these squares, and I'll be right back. Look at that. $10. This one's from Becca Budget 777, and Cactus Makes Perfect. That's adorable. Amazing. All right, so we used all of them. So now we get another new one that we don't get to start. maybe I'll start. I'm using some strategy now. Is there a smaller one that I could do? So there's a chance we finish it. This one saves $4. This one saves $4. This one is from Millennial Saver. Kind of bougie, kind of broke, kind of funny. So fun. All right, so that's going to go into number 3. Whew, I feel like the pressure of finishing that one is finally off my shoulders. All right, number 4 got $1.25. And this one is from, I don't know, but it's Hello August. Part of me, the way it feels, I want to say is Bella at Simply Made, oh my God. Simply, if I keep saying it, maybe it'll come to my mind. This could be from Bella. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to go back and look, see if I can find it. All right, so we have $1.25. So let's mark off 6 more. 1, 2, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's $1 and then 25. Hello, August. All right. Got $1.25 for number 5. And we just needed 75 cents. I'm going to take that away, color in the 4 more boxes, and I'll be right back. Yay, we saved this one. This is from Cash and Coin Crew. Let's go, ghouls. We saved another $4. So we can put 50 cents into a new one. Oh, this one's $3. Okay, I could have done this one for the other one. Okay, this is from Hannah at Prop Budgets. Look how cute the little bat is saying bite me. And I love that it's laminated because I can use this again and again. So let's do 50 cents for this one. So we'll mark off 2 of the ones. And then number 6. Number 6 got $1.25. This one is from Norellis Budgets. So we can mark off this 4. And then I could do the whole next row for $1. So 1 more dollar, and this one will save us 6. All right, number 7 got 50 cents. Ugh, as if. This one's from Steps on a Budget. We can do 25 and 50. And then number 8. Number 8 got 75 cents. And this one is from Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods, and we can do 3 more circles. This will save us $5. And that was it for that. So let's see what we got today. Let's go to our bank. Well, let's put our prop coins away. Trying to keep up like a certain rhythm so I don't throw myself off. So let's put our little prop coins away. And then now we get to figure out what we got. We got $10 and 5 for 15 and 4 for $19. Wow. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. That feels good. That feels really, really good. All right, let's get back here. Put our $19 in here in just a few more days, and we'll be able to divvy this up with our left, right, center and figure out how many of challenges that we finished. So we'll get to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Even though we finished 3, I add those 2 that were separate. They're technically separate challenges. So, all right, day 28 was pretty awesome. We got the big $10 one out of the way. Oh no. Oh no, we did it, guys. Oh, that's gonna burst. I feel like I'm gonna break it. Look, it's like pulling it back. Okay. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. And until next time, take care. Bye.